Hi guys, one of the things that I'm always asked is, what's the best software to use when backing up my files? Well, when I remind them that a hard drive will not last forever, it will eventually fail, they repeat their question. And I smile and answer them that there is no good or foolproof or bulletproof software, only technique. Then they ask me, what are you talking about? So in that technique, let me show you something here. We're going to go down to Start, and so we'll right click on the Start, open Windows Explorer. Depending on your version, depends on how it's going to be listing it as. Alright, so let's take a look in here under Windows Explorer. Alright, so we're going to go to My Computer. And for the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to go to my external hard drive. And now that's open. So let's go ahead and go through and look for some folders that jump out at me. Miscellaneous documents. Okay, so let's go ahead and record some of these PDF. So we'll right click, send to, DVD, left click. Now you'll know it accepted it because it prompts you to insert a writable disk into the drive. That drive D on this computer happens to be the CD DVD drive. So we're not quite done yet, so we'll hit cancel. Then we're going to go here, do the same thing, and we'll answer it. No, we're not going to do that quite yet. Go a little further up, find another little ebook that's in PDF format. And because I think there's a little bit more going on. So we'll highlight it, right click, send to, DVD. Okay, so what else? Well, let's just see. These Windows themes I'd like to hang on to. And there's 3 or 4 of them all next to each other. So let's go ahead and just show you how to take 3 at a time. So we're going to go to the left, and instead of highlighting, we're going to press down the left click, then drag the mouse over while the left click is engaged. And you see that funny little line and a box starting. Okay, so now I've got all 3 of those highlighted. Then I will right click the group, send to, DVD. Are you understanding now? Help me choose a disk. Fine. And this is just a little dialogue that explains. If you'd only have a few, you can choose a CD. If you have more, something closer to a 4 gigabytes, then I would choose a DVD. A CD has 80 megabytes. A DVD has 4 gigabytes. Okay, or 4,000 megabytes. Okay, so we're going to hit cancel, and then we would simply set a disk in place. Computer's going to spin up. Give it just a moment, and you will see this dialog. Burn an audio CD, burn files to a disk. This is the one you want, burn files to a disk. It will ask you some information. Okay, what I'm going to suggest is you change this title. Okay, so maybe we're just going to change the title, and then we're going to, this one here would be something more like you would use music or such. This time you're going to use it as a flash drive. Okay. Save, edit, and delete files on the disk anytime. So you can add files at will. The disk will work on computers running XP or later. Remember, the computer I'm working with right now is a Windows 7. Okay? Windows uses a live file system. So leave that checked. Click Themes, then click Next. Alright, then you can add or subtract. See, it's looking for a DVD-RW. I didn't put a DVD-RW in the machine. It's preparing it. And the disk in there is going to be titled Themes. And you could continue. See, this is the drive that they're talking about. Complete. If you're done with that process, then you're done. Thanks for watching, guys.